In this video, let's compare an ordinary 4-load cell platform scale with Giri Brothers heavy duty platform scale. For comparison, on the left side we have kept an ordinary scale, on the right side is the Giri Brothers heavy duty scale. First, let's see the design. The ordinary scales are made of C-section channels. Usually, the material used are re-rolled or unbranded or even scrap materials, whatever is available in the market. These channels form a frame and welded to a checkered plate. Whereas Giri Brothers scale have orthodropic design, meaning branded plates like Sail or Jindal are first cut into required sizes, then fold to form a U-shaped beam called U-beam. This U-beam is the latest technology in weighing industry and is the standards now in USA and Europe. When you look at this design, there is no open end and all the beams are close and welded to the checkered plate, forming a single piece. Thus, its strength when compared to an ordinary scale is 5 times more, and its accuracy and sensitivity is remarkably very high. The painting on the ordinary scale is mostly hand painted or in some cases powder coated. In this case, it's powder coated. You can look for yourself maybe 30 to 35 microns, which is very less, and its finish is comparatively dull. Giri Brothers scales finish and powder coating looks good and it's usually between 80 microns and above, hence protecting it from rust and corrosion. Now let's see the junction box, which is very important part. It sums the weight of 4 load cells and sends it to the indicator. When you see the ordinary scale, they have used a small metal box with some thermocol protection, and you can see the quality of PCB is also not good. Since there is only thermocol protection, during rainy season most of these scales develop weight variation or erratic reading. Users might have to spend lot of money on service. When you see the Giri Brothers scale, the junction box is not under the scale as in ordinary scale, but it is protected inside the U-beam. Let me show you the other side of the scale. The junction box is easy to access from the top without moving the scale. Here you have to open this plate. I have already removed the screws here, so it will be easy for this video. This is an IP65 grade junction box, safely kept inside the U-beam. It is waterproof, moisture and dust proof, avoiding any chance of weight variation or erratic reading, thus ensuring users with best accuracy and reliability. In ordinary scales, even cables from the junction box to the indicator is not having any safety connector, whereas Giri Brothers scale has given a safety connector. This plays a vital role to separate the scale from the indicator while moving the scale. Now let's see the most important part of the weighing scale, the 4 load cells. In ordinary scale, they have used Chinese load cells. It is in open condition without any protection, and you can see the cable also not concealed, and it goes into the junction box. The load cells and junction box are prone to rat bites, or when moving the scale, especially with the forklift, it might cut the wires and damage the load cells. Giri Brothers always uses branded steel load cells with certification. In this case, the load cells are not visible because it is protected with this plate. The cables are completely concealed and safe. This guarantees the users from unwanted breakdowns caused by rodents or insects, water splashing, etc. The structure can be moved with ease even with a forklift. Ordinary scales indicator is also not up to the mark, and another video link given in the description shows you the comparison of indicators. Whereas Giri Brothers indicators are extremely accurate with proven performance. There are a wide range of indicators to choose from. Simple indicators, then relay indicators to incorporate with PLCs, even third generation barcode label printing indicators. These Giri Brothers scales undergo numerous tests, 20 to be precise. For example, zero test, corner test, full load test, creep, fatigue test, 24-hour, 48-hour test, and the list goes on. Giri Brothers 4 load cell scales are the most economical scales, and it is accompanied by test certificate and a standard warranty of 1 year, which can be extended up to 3 years. Its service motto is to support customers within 4 to 8 working hours, making Giri Brothers the most trusted name in the weighing industry.